Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
We will buy for Instagram followers. Let's see what they are providing us. Instagram NFT services, Instagram followers guaranteed. That's mean they will give it guaranteed. Instagram followers country targeted. If you are targeting any country separately, then you can go with this one. Also, Instagram followers non-guaranteed. That's mean we can't go with this one because they have already written over there that non-guaranteed. Okay. Instagram reel views or likes or comments. Instagram likes real recommended. Instagram likes country targeted. You can see every time they are adding some of keywords that you can go with, right? So if you are targeting any country, then you can go with this country targeted also. Instagram likes per minute. Instagram views worldwide. That means they will give views for your videos, reels, or for your page, and that will be with worldwide. Instagram views country targeted. Instagram Korean services. Instagram story views impression saves. Instagram live video services, Instagram comments, Instagram shares, Instagram mentions, and IGTV services. You can see they are providing all types of services. Now it's your way to add whatever you want. So I want to add my Instagram followers, and that would be this one. I will not go with this country targeted. I will go with this Instagram follower guaranteed. But if you have a country-based thing like restaurant or showroom, and you want to do marketing for your shop or for your business, then you can go with this one country targeted. You can target those country peoples, and you can buy those followers for your country, for your business. So you can see that this is our Instagram followers guaranteed. So I'm going with this one, and now scroll down, and now I am going to service section. Now I need to see all these services, whatever they are providing, and I need to go with the safe side one, right? You can see they are providing lots of services. Let's see. Instagram followers mixed 1K to 50K per day, 30 days refill. They are giving this refill option here in scan.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.